YouTube, welcome back. We are camping. I forgot to bring my camera because I was focused on getting everything, so I'm using my phone for this camping trip. And let me show y'all our trailer, the babies, and look at this view. We got front view of the lake. But yeah, so stick around and watch this camping trip because this is our first camping trip, and I can't believe I forgot the camera, but I'll get the camera tomorrow when I go back into town. We just settled in. We got our lights going. Look at how cute. Look at the babies. They're having so much fun.
Mommy,
What?
are they making the hot dogs?
Yep, we're gonna make food right now.
Okay. Hey, Mommy.
Help you what, baby? Look, come look over here. Look, I moved it a little bit to try to get it. Are you having fun?
Hold it.
Having fun, Bubba?
Hold it.
Hold what, baby? No, okay. Hold on, Bubba. We came out for a walk, and look what we found. That's crazy. Is he gonna fly? Why not? He big though. We just walked, and I brought them to the park because we need some air. Okay, go, Bubba. Go, Lily. Go, Mama. Woo! It's okay. When we're done, we'll take them out. It's fine. You have socks on. The sand's gonna keep getting in there, Bubba. It's sand.
Huh?
I said I'd rather you have shoes on than no shoes on. I wish we would have recorded that hawk flying. It was crazy. Wow. Go. Go, Sissy, go. Ozaias is going. Look at the lake patrol guy. What, Bubba?
We want to go like that one day?
Yeah. That's the lake patrol, so he's like the policeman for the water.
I want to throw it in.
Wait, throw it where? Not in the water.
I wanna
No,
throw it. Mommy,
you
I wanna
can't throw the ball in the water. No, watch, Damien, go right here. Stand right here, Bubba. Right there, and then Ozaias, go over there. Scoot back a little bit. You guys throw it at each other like that. Come here, Mama. Scoot back. No, stay right there, Damien. Ozaias is gonna throw it to you. Ozaias, let him get it. No, let him get it.
It's on my side. I get it.
No, because he Lele, you have your ball. Throw it to Aaliyah. Play with Aaliyah. Throw it to Aaliyah so she can catch it.
Come on, throw it to me.
We're going to turn it on right now so we can cook hamburgers.
I don't want to cook hamburgers.
Why?
I want to cook a s'more.
Oh, okay, you can't do? Oh, go get it, Damien. Hurry before it goes in the water. Go, Lele. Look at Lele. Lele, be nice. Say, yo, you gotta ask for it nicely. You gotta say, can you share? Good job. Where's the ball at, Lele? Oh, you see it?
Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
Good job. Goalie.
I feel like a booty.
You're getting booty.
What does it feel like?
It feels like warm.
Like a worm?
Ew.
Damien, you gonna hold it?
Yeah. Squish
Yes?
it.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Damien, hold it. Pick it up, Damien.
It feels like squid.
Wait, you're putting the water right over Lele.
And now she wants to hold it.
Okay, let Lele hold it.
Kill me.
Ozaias, let Lele hold it.
Don't hurt him. For God's
You're
sake.
gonna make
Trying
us.
to rip his wings off.
No, there's not a lot of ducks, but there's just these right here, so we gotta wait.
I want some more bread.
Yeah, but I think they're scared. Careful, Mama. Careful, okay, Damien? She's over
I
there.
ate the bread.
You ate some bread. Is it good?
I did that.
Lele, you ate bread?
It's better than one.
Lele, did you eat the bread?
It's better than cockroach. What are you doing to my thigh?
Lele, careful.
I'm trying. No, move it.
No, get small ones. Okay, go. Good job. Go, Lele. Good job, Mama.
We gotta move it safe.
There goes the Zayas.
Oh.
Nope. Now pass it.
Mine.
Nope, you let go too soon.
That way, baby. Good job.
Oh, we both. And then you want it.
Good job, Mama.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to wet you, Bubba.
Oh.
Yeah, you're okay. Just dry your hands right here, look.
Mm.
It's just water. Just dry it. Just dry your hands.
I know.
Okay.
She mocks me.
Guys, I didn't record yesterday. Well, I recorded a little bit when the kids were outside when the day was good. But it got very windy. We had a windy storm. My lips looking chapped as hell. But we're cutting the trip short because we can't be outside. We can't do nothing. And we're stuck in a trailer. And we don't want to have the baby stuck in a trailer and not being able to do anything. Because that sucks. And they are having a hard time. But I have them in the car. While we get all this stuff in. I just got all our things in. I just got to help put the rest of the stuff away. When I say it's windy and so cold, it's horrible. I'll show you guys the lake. It's literally having mini waves like the ocean. It is insane how crazy this wind is. I should have recorded last night of all the sounds and everything going on, but I didn't. What are you doing? You trying to close the door? You want to close the door? Okay, let me get out then. All right. It's died. Well, it slows down and then it gets bad again. But this is how it's looking. It's not that bad right now as it calmed down. I probably knew I was gonna record, but let me show you guys. I haven't even looked over here to see how it's looking, if there's even any sand where we were at looking at the shells. You guys see these waves? Oh yeah, there is still sand, but look at that. That was not happening yesterday. And you guys will see from the clips before this that there was no waves. And now it's literally like a freaking beach. Bring the babies out here so they can see what's going on. Okay, right here is okay. I know. That's crazy, huh? Look at these waves coming in hot. The wind's getting stronger, but I brought the babies out so they can see the water, how strong it is. I got them covered head to toe now. They don't want to put her damn beanie on. Stay back, Mama, so you don't fall. She isn't enjoying herself. Go, Lily, throw it. That's good, right there. Go ahead, Mama. Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Lele. Eat your food, Mama. Let me see. Do it.
That's a good one. Oh my gosh, no more yet. No more yet. My arms are, my legs are tired.
Lele, come get your jacket on. Come on. Hurry, we're not going to go outside.
No. no, we can't. Lily. Wait. You have to put a jacket on to go outside, okay?
Yeah, we decided to leave, and as we come out, the damn storm calmed down. And look, no waves. So we packed all our shit and decided to leave, and now we could be out here, but it's supposed to rain, so I guess we still gotta leave. We're not gonna be outside. But I wonder if we're gonna go fish before we leave.
Okay, throw this in water.
Yeah, go ahead. And then we'll ask if we can fish before we leave to calm down. Wow! Zayas, let me see. Show me.
Put these on the grill.
Gonna cook them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't even make it to the water. It's okay. No, don't go down there. You're gonna get dirt all in your feet. Just find some more. Find them somewhere else. No, we're not going down there. No, come on. This way. Yeah, if I don't listen to my daughter, she starts calling me Julie. Like, girl, first of all, who showed you? Or who not showed you? Who told you that was my name? Careful. Okay, Lily, don't get too close. I thought you were taking that one. No? That's fine. Throw it.
I was gonna take a different one.
Wow, look at the ducks. Yeah, look at the duckies. Yeah. It's getting cold again. The wind is starting to pick up again. Y'all see the waves coming in again? It's gonna get crazy. Yeah. Wanna hold what, baby? All right, got the babies in the car. We got the trailer back there, and we are now gonna leave. Did you guys have fun for a little bit at least? Yeah. Woo, it is cold. The wind started picking up again. My hands are cold. Lily didn't have a sweater on, as you guys saw. She's a hot mess. She don't want to wear a sweater. But we're finally gonna leave. We're gonna take the trailer back to the storage, and then we're gonna head to Brennan's house. We're getting this bad boy back in storage. It sucks that the babies didn't get to experience a better camping trip. Because Elias was little, he doesn't remember when we went. This was Lay's first time, but it's okay. It's gonna be better. It was just the weather. We didn't have control of it. See y'all in our next video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe down below, because I hope you guys enjoyed what I was able to give you guys, because we were stuck literally in the trailer for a whole day. Yesterday, from 3 o'clock all the way until today, and we're only out because we literally left back home. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.